trying to kill cows until I get the golden cowbell.
So am I. I know it's a weird chance of spawning, but how have we still not got?
Because it's a 1 in a million chance.
Yeah, but we've killed like 200 cows, or I don't know.
I think we killed 300. No,
Yeah,
I've killed
or
500.
more. How do you know? Oh, now Grogadon's coming. Yes, it's 119.
Bro.
Oh, sorry. I'll just put my dinosaur down here. Wait.
Golden cowhead. Golden cowhead.
He can get that. He can get that. Wait, but you kill the cows at this side. I'll kill the cows at this side.
Alright.
That's quicker. Cheese. Well, I'll take the cheese.
Yo, my aim is bad.
I can spawn, but sometimes my aim's kind of bad. Jesus Christ, he's dead.
I still can't believe I need a cowbell for my tar pit quest.
Yeah, every single person needs it. Everyone has the same. No, every week it changes for everyone.
Oh.
I think it does.
Nope.
Yeah. Oh, dear Jesus. No, the cheese of truth.
Oh, golden
Oh,
cowhead.
golden cow. Golden cow. Well, eat it!
Jesus. Another golden cowhead.
Why are you not feeding your dinosaur? Your bowl.
I don't need to.
What lab was it?
Don't know.
Choose a cowbell.
I wonder, when are we gonna get the golden cowbell?
I know. We might not even get it today.
Golden
I'm
cowhead.
gonna stay in
Golden
the
cowhead
shop.
on my side. No, but I'm talking about which day will I get it. Another golden cowhead.
He can get that. The newbie soul can get that one.
Yeah, but I'm asking which day am I gonna get it? Like, I'm recording videos of a series. Like, I'm kill cows until I get the golden cowbell.
Ah.
Oh, Pepsi's.
I don't really want to feed him.
Me neither.
Cow. This is going to be the only apple I feed.
Remember when we fed Betsy like 10 million apples or 5 million apples?
Yeah, it was 15 million.
15 mil, alright.
Yeah, it was a very hard challenge. We were still able to do it, but we're definitely doing the Christmas challenge because loads of people has like new pouches. Oh, golden cowhide. No, I mean cowhide. Why did I say golden cowhide? Don't we just shove it? For some reason, I need to shove the food on my dino's throat for it to eat it. We don't know why.
Nope. Alright, last cow. No, last 2 cows.
Why?
Because it's taking too long. Actually,
wait,
I'm gonna
Grogadon
kill 4 more cows.
and Tyrog might be here.
It might.
That's what it probably is because we've been doing that for a while.
Alright, 1 more cow.
How the hell's Grogadon here?
What the? Alright, well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you like this content. See you later.